Hi guys, so I nearly did something just now, 10 minutes ago, that goes against everything that I say on this channel about pricing. So what is it? So basically, I spend one day a fortnight in this particular place I'm in now, little village, and I've just been to a garden that I do fortnightly, and during the winter I did a little one-off on next door's garden. It's kind of a bit of a path down this through the two houses. One side is the one-off garden that I did in the winter, and the other side is the regular fortnightly customer grass cut that I do, with a gate on either side of the fence just to get into the corresponding gardens. And I happened to look through the fence and I noticed that the grass was a little bit long. It's an absolute postage stamp. It would take 5 minutes. And I thought, well, I'm literally passing the gate, and I thought if I could get that little bit of grass there, just nip in, string it to cut, it would take 5 minutes, as I'm doing the front and back of the other garden. And I thought, tenner. You might be thinking, 5 minutes, £10, literally as you do in the next door's garden. Fine. Kind of is. And this is what I was just thinking. I thought, wow, it's easy. Just add a little tenner on, pay for 2 days worth of dinners or whatever. And then I thought, oh God, what are you doing? Occasionally I do chase the odd garden if it's a nice little garden. If I've maybe done a one-off on a garden and I quite fancy cutting the lawn, every now and again I might just say, look, are you okay for your lawn? I could cut it for X amount, whatever, and it's worked a couple of times. And I thought about doing the same now, just dropping her a little text and just say, look, I noticed the gardens, the lawn's a little bit long. Do you want us to cut it fortnightly for a tenner a go? And, oh my God, you'll be sat there just probably shouting at your phones, just saying what you're doing, man. The problem is, yes, I'm in this village fortnightly and I stay in this village, so it's not like I'll be travelling. But the problem is, if this regular customer who I do the garden for 25 quid a go for the lawn, if she then moves out, then I have to kind of go into a bit of a cul-de-sac. It's a minute out my way, but the whole point of the idea in the first place was to message this customer and give her the price of a tenner to try and tempt her on, was because I was literally passing the gate. So if my regular customer moves out, I'm left with that garden at a tenner. And yes, it'll only take 5 minutes, but that's not the point. My lawn cuts start from 20 quid. I could go and say I can cut that garden for 20 quid. But to be honest with you, I don't want to. Unless people are coming to you and saying, look, I want my grass cut, 20 quid for this tiny little lawn, from me approaching them doesn't sit well with us. So I'm not going to do it. If she comes to me and asks us, I'll say, look, my starting price is 20 quid. I may bend my rules slightly. I do have another garden that I do for 15 quid, which is small. The reasons for that, which I'll not go into here, so I'm happy with that in that scenario. I may well do that for 15 quid. As I say, I'm in the village anyway. I'll always be in this village one day in the fortnight. Literally, it's tiny. I may do for 15 quid. But unless she gets in touch with us, I'm not going to go chasing her for that. So that was, sometimes you've got to just kind of have a little think if you're kind of chasing stuff, which I don't do very often at all, really. You just got to have a little think, is this a good idea? What happens if this customer, the regular customer, moves out? Because it's so tempting to offer a neighbour something a bit cheaper just to secure the garden. If you're already doing, one garden, then you got 2 in a row, But then, you know, if it's a similar sized garden, which this isn't, but if it was a similar sized garden and then you're just offering like the neighbour a bit of a discount, then they will probably tell each other what you're charging. So then you've already got a bit of a disparity in the price, and it's not particularly good. So yeah, that's what it is. Daft decision. I thought I'd pass on these words of wisdom, if you can call it that. That's a stretch. But anyway, I thought I'd do a video. Right, thanks guys. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.